I want to welcome everybody to the conference on behalf of myself and my co-investigators, which includes Robert Newcomer, Mitch LaPlante, Stephen Kay, and Martin Kitchener. And you're going to be meeting them later. And I also want to thank our whole research team at UCSF, and a number of them are here today. And oops. Sorry. All right. Tae-Woon Kang is here, Teresa Schertzer, Terrence New, Ronnie Eversley, Toby Edelman, and we want to thank all of them for all the work they've done in the last 3 years. Also, our partners that have been involved with the PAS Center, which includes Sue Stoddard, Louis Krause, Lita Jens, and David Leonard, and of course Mike Oxford, Vera Salter, and Robin Stone. We also want to thank our university partners, Nancy Miller from University of Maryland, Baltimore County, Brant Fries and Mary James, and DJ Hendricks and Lou Orseline from the Job Accommodation Network. We have a wonderful Blue Ribbon Advisory Committee, and some of our members are here today, which includes Mike Humphreys, Bob Kafka, Lee Schultz, Judy Chamberlain, Mike Collins, and Doug Holzai. So they've come from a long distance, and we thank you for coming. Our 5-year PAS Center was established in 2003, and the basic idea was to ensure that people with self-care limitations can live independently by providing both formal and informal help. Our overall goal is to expand access to high-quality PAS at home, at work, and in the community. And the short-term goals are to produce new knowledge to help us do that. We have 4 overall projects. One is, well, multiple projects, but 4 overall areas. One is looking at formal and informal PAS. And in this, we're looking at large data sets and analyzing data about formal and informal care. The second one is tracking PAS programs in the states and looking at barriers and trying to understand programs around the country and best practices in those programs. We've also been looking at individuals that have been institutionalized and what are the barriers to them not living in the community. And we've been looking at PAS in Michigan. The third area is looking at the workforce, and this includes looking at a number of areas around the workers. And our last area is looking at the workplace. And so you're going to be hearing about these different areas this morning and some of our preliminary findings. Our overall plans are to, of course, to continue our research and to try to have as wide of dissemination of this work as we possibly can, with the idea of trying to influence local, state, and national policies. So we're going to start with our first panel. Louis? Okay. We'll start with Mitch LaPlante, who is on our faculty.